So you want to trade stocks? Everybody wants to learn how to trade stocks. Everybody's in my comments. How do you do this? How do you do that? How do you do this? How you do that? All right, so I got y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a little lesson, a little quick lesson. It's real simple. It's not as complicated as what y'all think. Let me find a good example. Okay, this is a good example. This is a stock right here called GSUM. A lot of people will just shorten it up and just say GSUM or some crap like that. But GSUM is the proper way to say it. It's the GridSum Holding Inc. sponsored whatever the crap. I don't care about all that. But okay, we see the price is at $2.18 right now. See that right there? $2.18. This is a choppy stock too. I don't like choppy stocks like this. I like stuff that looks like that. You see how there's like no chops all up in it? It's just straight bars, you know? Straight bars. This is kind of choppy. I don't like it. But okay, you can see yesterday at the market open, it was at $1.80. And right now it's at $2.18. So obviously, if you got in down here, then by now you'll be making some money. But let me tell you how it works. Say that this stock was $1, not $2.18. Let's say it was $1, okay? Let's say you bought 1,000 shares of this $1 stock, right? So that means it would cost you $1,000 to get 1,000 shares because each share costs $1. So market opens is 8:30. You get right in at $1. Let's say 10 minutes later the stock is up to $1.50 a share. That means all your shares are now worth $1.50 and not $1. So if you were to cash out, you would have $1,500 because now the total value of all your shares of that stock is worth $1,500. So the profit will be $500, and that can happen in that can happen in less than 1 minute. The stock market moves so fast when it first opens. It's crazy. And that's why you want to be in it in the first 30 minutes. First 30 minutes of the stock market opening is when everything happens. Not everything, but that's when there's the most movement, basically. You see how I had all this up? That line right there is the new date, Friday, January 18th. That was the market open. It had all this action. Now it just stays still. Soon as it opened, it had all this action. Then it just kind of leveled out. That's how it goes. So that's the simpleness to it. It's literally that simple. Dollar share for the stock. You get 1,000 shares. This is just for example. Went up to $1.50. You sold all your shares. Now you have $1,500. You just made $500 in 2 minutes because that's how quick it took. It can happen that fast, and it's that simple. And a lot of people think the only thing you can do is buy stocks. No, you can short sell stocks. You don't have to. The only way of making money is not just by the stock going up. You can make money on the stock going down. How it goes down right here, you could have made money on that by short selling the stock. That's betting against the company. It's the exact opposite process. It's the same thing, but it's in reverse. Exact opposite process. And I actually make most of my money by short selling because what goes up must come down. You know? It's a law. But yeah, I just feel like it's more predictable. It's way easier to predict when the stock is about to drop, more so than when it's about to rise. And that is the basics of stocks, guys. I just gave it to you. You've been asking for it. Here you go. Like, comment, subscribe.